Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well with your preparation of MDCAT. Here is a new test for you, and it is especially about the electronics. This is the first question. What happens in negative cycle of AC input? You can see there is a circuit in front of you, and you are familiar with this circuit. This is Wheatstone bridge circuit, okay, which consists of 4 semiconductor diodes D1, D2, D3, D4. Now, when the current starts moving from this direction, okay, the question is in the negative cycle. You know that AC cycle is like this. This is positive one and this is negative one. First the positive cycle will come and then the negative one. As the question is about negative cycle, so we will deal with the negative cycle. We know that the diode conducts only in forward direction. Means when it is forward biased, it conducts. When it is reverse biased, it will not conduct. Okay. So when this negative signal will move, this moves over here. Now here it has two options. It will go in this direction as well as towards this direction. Okay. When it reaches over here, this is negative side of D1, this is positive side of D1. So when it sees the negative signal, this signal is negative, so it allow, because semiconductor diode conducts in forward direction. So D1 will allow the current to pass through it. Okay, so D1 conducts. Then what about D4? When negative cycle will reach over here, this is the positive side of D4, so it will not conduct. Okay. Now when this negative cycle moves in this direction, because we are dealing with the AC, alternating current, so at the same time the positive cycle will move in this direction. Okay, positive is coming in this direction. When it reaches over here, it has two paths. One is this one and other is this one. Okay. When it reaches over here, the positive one, this is negative terminal of D2. It will not allow, no current. Okay. Here is no current. But when this positive reach over here with D3, this is the positive side of D3. So it will allow the current to pass through it. So for the negative cycle, who conducts? D1 and D3 conducts and D2 and D4 will not conduct. This is correct option. In the very next problem, what they are asking? The potential difference applied across a diode to reduce depletion layer is, when we apply potential difference across a diode is like this when it is connected to the source. We know that in case of semiconductor diode, it conducts only in the forward direction. So the correct option is forward bias. Output current of a half wave rectifier circuit is, now what's the quality of half wave rectifier circuit? It gives the current which is unidirectional. So look at the options. Straight line along vertical axis, not at all. AC current, no, because the function of rectifier is to convert AC into DC. Zero always, not at all. So the unidirectional is the correct option. A device that converts AC into DC is called, what's its name? Capacitor, transistor, inductor, diode. It's a straightforward diode. Semiconductor diode, PN junction, whatever you say. The conversion of alternating current into direct current is known as, yes, what's the process name? Amplification, rectification, polarization, filtration. It is rectification. Output waveform of above circuit is, this is the circuit, this is the input wave. We can see that the wave is alternating current, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half cycle and 3 full cycle. And when this wave come to this circuit, then you see that this is the positive side of the diode and this is the negative side. And we know that the diode conducts only in the forward direction. So when this positive cycle, half cycle will come over here, it shows its cards to the terminal that I am positive, it will allowed, and we have a result. We obtain a wave. Okay. So which wave may be? Look at this one, maybe this one, maybe this one. Okay. But not this one. Here is no wave. So this is not the option anymore. This is also not the option anymore. So the correct option is either 1 or 3. When we move further, the negative half cycle will come. When it reaches over here, it shows its card, I am negative, it will not be allowed. So we'll have no result, means space, empty space. As you can see, there is a wave, so this is not the option, this is okay. Okay, because there is a space. Again, positive, result, negative, no result, positive, yes, negative, no. So this is the correct option, the third one. Okay, take care. We'll meet inshallah in the next test very soon. Allah Hafiz.